Hey, welcome back. Let's talk about business models. Most product owners and product managers that I have worked with usually have to create some kind of business plan in order to get approval for the products they want to build. Usually, those type of business plans include some kind of competitor analysis, market analysis, but also projections with regards to revenues and potential profits. Now, take a few moments and think for yourself, if you've ever created a business plan, how often do those business plans turn out to be correct? My guess is never. Jeff Bezos famously says, "No spreadsheet survives the first contact with a customer." Or as Mike Tyson puts it, everybody has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. So the value of a business plan is not necessarily in the revenue and profit projections. It is in something else. The biggest value of any business plan should be about creating transparency with regards to the assumptions we have in order for this business plan to work. Enter the Business Model Canvas. The Business Model Canvas is a simple tool created by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur. The tool is intentionally simple so that everybody can use it. It consists of 9 building blocks covering all the relevant areas we need to think about when we want to cover a business model. The business model is not only a great thinking tool, which means it helps us strategically and systematically think through our business model, it is also a great presentation tool. And I will later show you how we can use the business model to refine and strengthen our business models. The canvas consists of 9 building blocks. Usually, we start out on the right-hand side with the customer segments. Then we jump into the middle, which is the value proposition. Both of those you know from the value proposition canvas, where we talked about the customer profile and the value map. In between the customer profile and the value proposition, we have the relationships we form with our customers and the channels through which we connect with our customers. All of these 4 things, customer segments, relationships, channels, and value proposition, are the so-called front stage of the business model, and they ultimately determine what kind of revenue channels or what kind of revenue forms we can generate. The backstage of the business model canvas consists of partners that we need in order to create this business model, activities we need to do, and resources we need in order to make this business model ultimately work. Partners, activities, and resources together ultimately create or result in the cost structure that we're going to have. The business model canvas is not going to be more accurate with regards to revenue or profit projections, but it will help you systematically create transparency with regards to all of your assumptions. And those assumptions could be part of each of these 9 building blocks. And ultimately, it will help you to do this much, much faster than if you would create a traditional business plan, which means you can also get faster into assessing and testing those assumptions. Ultimately, the business model canvas is a tool that helps us live empirical process control in a much better way, especially with regards to business models that we want to create and that we want to succeed. In the next lesson, you will get an exercise to work on your own business model. I'll see you there.